Hi, this is Rob from orangeworkscreative.com. I'm going to start this video with a small apology because I forgot to turn the microphone on, so unfortunately the video should be sounding like this, but instead it's recorded on the camera's internal mic, unfortunately. Again, apologies. We'll make sure we watch out for stuff like that in the future. Thanks. Oh, for f***'s sake, you why weren't you recording? Hello YouTube, it's Rob from orangeworkscreative.com. Today we're going to be unboxing a big box. We have the new Bowers & Wilkins wireless Zeppelin. This is their direct new replacement for the one that had the iPad or iPhone dock built into the front. This one connects wirelessly over both Wi-Fi and Ethernet and Bluetooth. It uses AirPlay and Spotify as well, so it's just got pretty much all of the bases covered. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit here because basically I didn't commit this bit to memory. The main change here is their new drive units, other than the fact that it's completely wireless. And it says here, key among the changes in the Zeppelin key among the changes is 5 completely new drive units. Zeppelin Wireless features 2 double-dome tweeters as found in Bowers & Wilkins award-winning CM series of hi-fi speakers, while the 2 mid-range drivers benefit from FST technology. This unique approach to drive unit design is also found in Bowers & Wilkins' flagship 800 series Diamond and helps Zeppelin Wireless deliver pristine, lifelike vocals and instruments. A new larger 6-inch subwoofer with ultra-long voice coil allows deep bass to be played at an impressive volume. Now I'm keen to hear the improvements this makes over the last one. Obviously that's near on impossible for me to demonstrate to you because it all depends on what you're listening to. So the only way you can do that is either go and buy one or play with one in store. Now because this is such a big box, I'm going to be grabbing the GoPro. And I've already cut the sellotape because I knew I was going to have to do this one-handed for ease of use. As we get into the box, we see that we've got the instructions over this side, power cables, substantial packing in a lot of polystyrene, and the unit's also wrapped. So what I'm going to do is lift this out, try to lift this out, pull the power cable out, instructions. And the unit itself, which is quite heavy. Okay, let's have a look. Gently remove the polystyrene. It's wrapped in a sort of almost velvety sock, I guess that's the best way to describe that. So I'm just going to try and gently pull this off. It's got rubberised feet on the bottom of the unit, so it's not going to scratch anything. It's beautiful actually. It's got a real premium feel to it, metal back, fabric front. One thing I have noticed is there's no remote control, so presumably all the functions will happen through your other device. On the back here, let's show you what we've got here. We've got play button, pause button, volume up and down, connection ports. We have Ethernet, power button, power, auxiliary in, service dock, oops, and a reset button. Okay, so let's plug this in, just unwrap the cable. Already sneaked plug under the table. Okay. Now what I'm going to have to do is have a quick look at the instructions to work out how to get it onto Wi-Fi, or go and connect via Ethernet. But what I can do is show you how to connect via Bluetooth. All you need to do is, when you turn the device on using the button at the back, you then press the play button on the back, and then just to the right hand side of the logo, press and hold for a couple of seconds, and you'll hear that chime. That means it's now discoverable on your Bluetooth. Just waiting for my Bluetooth to come up on my phone. You simply select it. I believe there is some numbers if it does ask for password. It's either 1, 2, 3, 4 or all the zeros. So you'll be able to see, come up here, select Zeppelin Wireless. Obviously you might not be able to see that. If anyone has any questions or problems connecting, leave a comment in the bottom and we'll do everything we can to help you. So let's give this a go.
They're here.
Okay.
Are we ready?
As ready as we'll ever
Pretty good. So if you're not anywhere near the unit, let's test this out. So I can control the volume by using the volume on my phone and pause and play. So I'm also assuming that if we turn it up and sort of almost set a bass level here, then you want more volume. Okay, all I can say is that's incredibly clear. It looks wonderful, sounds fantastic. It is very weighty. It's quite long, so depending on where you want to put this in your home or wherever that may be. If you have any questions, leave some comments. I'll also do a short how to connect to. I'll also do a little video on how to connect to your network and use the additional features. Don't forget to subscribe. Plenty of other unboxings, tech reviews, photography tips, tutorials, all that good stuff. Hope to see everyone soon. Thanks.